Hi everyone, this is my second project about intercultural country. I want to talk about the equal marriage in Ecuador. So, LGBTI is a mixture of movement of people of different sexual inclination in which lesbians, gays, bisexual, tolerant, and intersexual are found. This movement began formally in 1969 in New York City, and also several organizations and activists have taken the first step of the LGBT movement for climate rights for homosexuals. This movement has among others objectives such as homosexual marriage, adoption, the decriminalization of homosexuality, and now being considered as a small group within society. So that is minority group is more vulnerable since it is not taken into account for decision making, as they are also main focus for discrimination, violence, and others. So, as learning this class, this behavior is associated with a muted group theory. Since the theory of this theory is a critical theory and explains how you have less power compared to the other society. So, what is the considered intercultural conflict? So, in the first place, a religion. So, in the Bible, mentioned that men and women are created to be common. Second, because of this conception of minority of people against are conservative because they maintain the idea that a family should be composed of a father, mother, and a son. Now, as the traditional family worldwide. However, currently, this method has been changing in current generation, who, on the one hand, are in favor within the community, or they not care about this conflict. So, Ecuador is characterized for having a kind of conservative thinking, which is why this group has been difficult to keep criticism. And however, they have struggled to get their right, and others do such a marriage. And this is why, after a night of struggle, they haven't managed to get a national court to decree the favor. But unfortunately, this moment was one of the great joy and wonders for the conservatives who left to march the abolition. Finally, the way to reduce this conflict is a little complicated because previous generations don't necessarily change their way of thinking, but it can be tolerated, respect, and accept the stand a person with a different sexual orientation is not defined as a group of a person. And this way is necessary to talk, think, and interact without affecting others. Thank you.